Hi everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is to find total time spent by each employee. We need to calculate time spent in the office by subtracting in time from out time. For example, we have a table employees, and for each employee and event day, we need to calculate the total time. We write the select statement, and we need to display event day as day, employee ID, and total time. We said that out time minus in time is our total time. If we run this code, we have an error because our total time is calculated per row. In order to calculate the total time for each employee ID and the event day, we need to group by these two columns. And using the sum function, we should receive the total time for each event day and employee ID. And we successfully solved this problem in SQL. Let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we calculate time spent for each row. We take the employees data frame and we create a new column called time spent. Now we group by event day and employee ID. So we take the data frame employees and we group by two columns, event day and employee ID. We take the column that we just created, time spent, and we calculate the sum. This new data set we will store into the result data set. Now we need to rename the columns to match the output requirements. We take the new dataset result, and using the method rename, we rename columns. We take the old column called event day and change it to day. The column time spent, we will change to total time. And now we are ready to return the result. And we successfully solved this problem in Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? Group by in SQL or aggregation in Pandas? Let me know in the comments.